Welcome back. And let's head back to the track where 12 Jamaicans have been confirmed for Thursday's penultimate stop in the 2024 Diamond League season in Zurich, Switzerland. Olympic finalist Tia Clayton, who won her first Diamond League race in St. Lucia on August 25, will face a tough women's 100-meter field, which includes Olympic champion Julian Alfred and world champion Sha'Carri Richardson. National record holder Rashawn Clark will contest the men's 400-meter hurdles, while in the women's equivalent, 4 Jamaicans have been confirmed, led by Olympic finalists Rochelle Clayton and Cheyenne Salmon. Olympic bronze medalist Rashid Broadbell and 2021 Olympic champion Hansel Parchment are the Jamaican who will be in the men's 100-meter hurdles, while world champion Daniel Williams is the lone Jamaican in the women's 100-meter hurdles. In the field, Olympic silver medalist Wayne Pinnock, Kieran McLeod and Tajay Gale will compete in the men's long jump, while Olympic bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell is also set to contest the men's shot put event.